Hey fam, so we're now here sa Apa Hotel sa Osaka, Namba, Ekimai. And ito yung room namin, is a non-smoking room. So pagpasok mo ng room, on the right side, ito yung mga sabitan. Tapos meron din silang provided na robe. Then dito naman is yung full-length mirror. This sa mirror, meron na silang mga provided sleepers, pang inside and outside. Tapos sa left side, nandito yung bathroom. So, yung bathroom actually, maliit lang pero tingnan nyo naman. Naka-Japanese toilet. Siyempre, nasa Japan tayo. Sa Japanese toilet, di ba? With complete toiletries. Nandito yung mga pang-shave, pang-toothbrush, and everything. Then, they also have here yung bathtub. Then, may shower, hot and cold. Tapos, yung dito nila yung water dispenser. Water dispenser ba to? Or gripo? May optional na, actually may option dito or may nakalagay na drinkable siya. Though drinkable yung nakalagay dito, hindi namin tinry inumin. So, kumuha kami ng water sa water dispenser sa labas. Tapos, andito yung mga buttons. So excited na ako pag gamitin to pag ako ay nag-poof! Diba? So, after nun, meron naman dito table. Ito yung table, all-around table. Pwede siya pang beauty table. What do you call that beauty table? Vanity. This can be a vanity table, a dining table, a working table. Tapos, meron ditong mga outlets and then pang-initan ng tubig. Tapos, nandito rin yung Hakata. Meron din silang Hakata. Oh. So, kapag nag-sauna ka or nag-onsen ka, ito yung gagamitin mo. Then, nandito yung mini ref. Nandito yung mini ref nila. Well, of course, is this queen size bed? Double size bed. So, this is the double size bed. Ang lambot in fairness. Tapos, since nasa Japan nga and very high-tech, tingnan nyo naman, nandito na lahat ng pindutan. So, may option ka, kapag nalalamig ka, mag-heater ka. So, right now, nakaset yung heater namin. So, mainit ngayon. And then, in fairness, kahit maliit siya, may view. And look at this view. Diba? It's a city view. You know, you're like in New York, but you're in Japan. Right? Right? Then, of course, may lamp doon sa side. And then, this is what I love the most, actually, sa room. Ito yung parang main system nila, or info system. Dito kasi nakalagay lahat, oh. Imagine mo, meron silang app. Tapos dito mo rin makikita kung yung onsen is yung crowded or not. Tapos nandito rin yung Wi-Fi password. Tapos may mga scheduled. Lahat nandito na. So kapag may kailangan ka, meron din. Tapos napanood ko rin doon meron silang parang chatbot assistant. So napaka high-tech talaga. So ayun lang. Actually, maliit siya pero nagustuhan ko naman. Wala namang problema sa akin yung size. Medyo tight lang gumalaw but overall ano ba tawag doon? Everything so functional. Very functional yung room. So, I think, yun lang. Ang laki ng room, di ba? Pero, let's see kung ano yung mga amenities. So, maybe tomorrow, mag-explore kami after namin mag-tour. Tapos, i-share din namin sa inyo. So, by the way, binook namin tong room na to. Binook namin tong room na to sa Agoda. And alam niyo na guys, you can save using my code, AgodaFam. So, AgodaFam for up to 10% discount. And para naman sa tours, you can use my code, ActivityFam. So, you can also use Mami San's code. It's Rose Agoda for hotels and Rose 5 off for activities.
Activity 5. Ay, Agoda 5. Oh.
So, correction. For activities, it's
Agoda 5. Oh.
Agoda 5 off. So, ayun lang guys. Basta excited na kami may share namin yung Japan experience namin sa inyo. So, bye for now! Is it okay?